Hey everybody, welcome to the den. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we're going to do something a little different. I've got these two vehicles, and this one, if you look at it, doesn't really look too awful bad, does it? Until I move my thumb. Yeah, there's the glaring part right there. Somebody else attempted to restore this, and they didn't know what they were doing. So I'm going to attempt to fix what they started. And I'll send them pictures afterwards, which I've done with a couple other vehicles of his that I got from him. And hopefully he'll like it as well. This one I'll do start to finish. We're going to do both of these in rose red, so we're going to call this one Roses Are Red. Stay with me. Alright, let's go ahead and get this one drilled out first, and then I'll show you what's going on with the other one. As always, our shelter drilling. These are really little ones. As he's trying to skip off to the side there, we don't want that. See if that's enough. These small ones I always do a little less, just to try to make sure I don't overdo it and damage the base too much. Nope, a little more. Not going to try and force it because I don't want to damage anything. Pop off there. There it goes. There's the front one. There we are. Now this glass is a little banged up. It's got a big gouge. I don't know if it's a gouge or what it was. Something rubbed on it. I'm going to toss it in the zip degreaser and see how it comes out. If it does not come out, I do have a replacement glass for this. Place that in. We'll leave the wheels on for now until I polish the base up because it's not quite polished to the point where it needs to be. And then we can change out those wheels, put some new ones on. That'll look good. This is ready to be drilled and go over to the regurgitation juice. So set that to the side. Now, the elephant in the room. Obviously you guys see this whole thing. And that's one of the things with his was he attempted to use restoration rivets, which are fine, but he did not know that you're supposed to drill into the post and then glue them into the post. He was just buttoning them up against the bottom of the post and trying to glue them, and that's not ever going to hold. And I told him that, but he's getting rid of his collection at this point anyway. He was just happy that somebody was getting him that would actually do the work and keep him alive. This is how bad it is. I was able to actually pull these apart, a couple of them with my fingers. This one I can't get underneath. We already got the back, so see if we can get this. I don't know how well he glued this one. Seems to be stuck in there pretty well. Let's try to go at it from the side here. There it goes. Yeah, that's how long the rivets are. That wasn't going to hold anything. I mean, it looked good. It looked like it had rivets in it. I think that's what he was going for, but that's also one of the reasons that I usually use screws instead of rivets. It's because otherwise people will tend to try and make it look like it's original, and I'm too honest for that. I tell everybody I've restored them. But it looks like he didn't damage the base any when he did it, so that's good. We'll leave these wheels on until we get that one cleaned up. Go ahead and get this pulled off here. This glass looked like it was good, so I don't have another glass for this, so we got to be careful with it. Come on, interior. There we go. There we go. Got it all without breaking it. Of course, these go in the zip degreaser. And we're off to the drill press to drill these and regurgitation juice. Back in a little bit. Alright, back from the stripper. Let's get these polished up and ready to get painted again. I have a few wheels. Just a few. And a few more. One thing I'll never run out of. Although I say that, but yet I ran out of the small ones. See how these came out. Alright, here we are. I would say the finished product, but not quite. The Barracuda keeps wanting to take off on us. It's got the old shoes on it though. Like I said, I'm waiting on the new ones to come in to put on it, and then it'll be finished. But other than that, I love both of them. They both came out great. I'm happy with them. Hope you guys are too. If so, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff I always say. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.